Quick live na. Parang labo. Parang labo nito. Quick live. Quick live. Umalis talaga yung isa.
Ang kaluoy ko ba lang? Ang dinadala ko naman.
My friend Rin, Suryani vlog. Shout out. Shout out my friend Rilin. Thank you so much, my friend Ririn Suryani vlog. Ha? Ba't ang bilis? Totoo ba itong nakikita ko, guys? Shoutout po sa lahat ng nandyan, guys, sa mga marites dyan. Shoutout. Mga hindi nagko-comments. Ba't ganito? Totoo ba itong nakikita ko? Dito tayo sa MTR, guys. Ikot-ikot ko kayo. Ang labo ng kamera ko. Ha? Ba't ang bilis? Ito ba talaga kita ko? Sexy. Thank you so much, my friend Rin Salyani, for coming. Thank you so much. Meron tayong model. You are my song, playing so softly in my mind. I reach for you, you can seem so far. Sayang di ko naabutan ba to? Sige, hinto pa lang ata to, hinto. Jade Traya, thank you so much for coming, Jade. Guys, dito tayo sa MTR, guys. Mga 30 minutes lang tayo, 30 minutes. 30 minutes live. Ang ganda nun, ah. Dito tayo sa MTR. Rudy Reheta with autism. Hello, hola, hola. How are you, my friend Rudy? Idol Jade, anong nangyari? Bakit pataas ang aking likes? Asmenza, hello everyone. Hello my friend Asmenza. Thank you so much guys for coming. We just only we just only do live 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes, 30 minutes. I am here in the MTR. Asmenza, so much for coming my friend. Just quick live. How are you, my friend Rudy? Kala ko kantahan na. Idol Jade, baka dinig nyo ba ako? Dinig nyo ba ako? Hindi, nag-direct ako kasi quick live lang naman to, mga 30 minutes lang siguro, 30 minutes. Hello, my friend Cindy. How are you, my friend Cindy? Yan, Idol Jade. Kantahan na lang kita. Tulala sa isang tabi at di mapakali ating nagkaroon. OG Brand Brand, Melina Hazily, hello. Hello my friend OG Brand Brand, how are you? How are you my friend OG Brand Brand? Fakira my friend, hello, how are you my friend Fakira? Please support and connect each other guys. So I just gotta get off on the second station. One more station. Melina, I'm good, mommy. That's great. My daddy, OG Brand, that's great. You're good. Cindy, my friend, how are you? OG from Cindy, Jade from Cindy, and Fakira, my friend, how are you? My friend Fakira, how's your day? How are you, everyone there? How are you today, tomorrow, and the other day? Melina, go check out my Melina, go check out my Facebook, Brandon Canadi, OG Brand, or TikTok, OG Brand. Sure, my friend, OG Brandon Canadi. Okay, sure. Sure, my mom. Sure, my dear OG Brand, after this. Yan, Mrs. Wong, Shouty. Dito tayo sa MTR. Dito tayo sa MTR, sis Mrs. Gold. Ano lang, 30 minutes live lang to. Sis Mrs. Wall, bakit ka na? Mrs. Wall. 7:36 a.m. here. But so noisy here, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. Megan ako ang shout out, sis Ganda. Same to you, sis Mrs. Wall. Melina, thanks, mommy. You're welcome, daddy. OG Brand. Steve Butso, do you have any updates on Frisbee, the hot Laploin? I don't have any idea for that. I don't know any updates about that, Sir Steve Butso. So I'm getting off now here on the station. So we are here in the Sayingpun, Hong Kong. So I'm here in the Sayingpun, Hong Kong. So I'm gonna get off here. San ka? Dito ako sa Hong Kong, Mrs. Wald. Off ko ngayon. Konti tao dito ngayon. Kanina ang daming tao dun sa ano. Yan, Daddy OG Brand. Later I will visit your the one that you drop off. I will visit later after my live stream. Okay. Clear ba yung boses ko dyan, sis Mrs. Wald? 30 minutes lang tayo live. Anong nangyayari? Ba't dami kong mga viewers? Ganito ba yun? Ba't ganito ang dami kong viewers? Bang dami kong viewers? Marami bang viewers talaga pag ganito? Yes, octopus. Here. Chan charan charan chan chan. My friend Cindy, thank you so much for always supporting me. Yan, sis Mrs. Wob, inom nang tayo ng MP. Sige sis Miss Wob, inom tayo ng MP. Masarap yan. Hindi sasakit ang ulo mo dito. Mga 30 minutes lang tayo mag-live. Anong oras na ba? Kasi meron kasi akong part-time ng mga 4. Hindi, mga ano na lang pala tayo. Mga 10 minutes. 10 minutes na lang guys. Mag-end na din ako. 10 minutes. Ayaw mo marami ikang viewers. Oo nga, bakit ganun? Anong nangyari? Sis Mrs. Wolf. Magdami kang viewers. Ganito bang pag maraming hindi ko alam bakit ganito. Yan, my dear Fakira, later I will visit your videos after my live because I just do direct live. So if I go to your channel, so maybe I exit my live. Ang dami kang viewers. Ganito ba talaga to? Yan. So 10 minutes guys. I will end my live stream. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much everyone who is there. Yan. Thank you so much sis Mrs. Wald. Yan. So naka 10 minutes na ako. 10 minutes. Meron kasing akong part-time. Mrs. Wall from Cindy. Takbo tayo sa ano, sa lift. Yes.
請注意開門方向。Please note which doors will open. 請注意開門方向。觀塘道、Bonham Road、班賢道。
Where are you going, Cindy? Cindy, where are you from? Are you residents in UK? Are you from UK? Because your time there is 7:36, maybe 7:40 a.m. in there. A.m. So here in Hong Kong is same Philippine times. So the time now is 3:41 p.m. Yan, Lalabs, original Akura official. Lalabs Akura, i-PM mo nga ako sa messenger, ha? Hindi mo ako pini-PM, Lalabs. Hello naman ako. Ayan, shout out sa iyo, Lalabs, original Akura official. All-in-one vlogs, may receipts. Hi sister, good afternoon sister. Good afternoon too. All-in-one vlogs, may recipes. Lalabs, Sakura, PM mo nga ako. Lalabs, Sakura, at may tatanong ako, dali. Guys, mag-end na ako ng mga ng mga 12 minutes na ako. Mag-end na ako ng 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Quick live lang to kasi meron akong part-time kasi. Yan, so mag-end ako. Hi friend, original hi friend from All-in-one vlogs, my recipes. Okura from Cindy. Lalabs, the original Okura. PM mo ako, dali. Aakyat tayo ng bundok. Mapapagod ako nito. My friend, all-in-one vlogs, my recipes. After my live, I will visit your videos. Because I just do direct live. Yan, bakit Lalabs po? May tatanong lang ako, Lalabs. Li, ang cute ng bata, oh. Akyat tayo ng bundok. I will end my live stream, guys. 10 minutes to go. Every night in my dreams, I'm going up to the mountain. I'm going up. I'm so tired. Thank you so much everyone who is there. Let's see the view, guys. Nahihilo na ako, ha. Pagod ako. 20CH, hello, I'm watching from Japan. Hello my friend 20CH, thank you so much for coming. I'm here in Hong Kong. 20CH. Hi sister, your sister, bye. Bye sister from India sister, yeah. So, shout out to you, my friend, all-in-one vlogs, recipes. Nahilo na ako, ha. My friend Cindy, thank you so much. So, I have now 14 minutes. So, 5 minutes to go, then I will end my live stream, guys. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go, I will end my live stream. Rudy Raheta with autism 244, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much everyone for your support. Thank you for the love, your support. Thank you so much. Introducing today's stream. Thanks to everyone. Guys, please support and connect to other guys. Support each other. 20CH is dropping his link. Please connect each other. Thank you so much. 5 minutes to go, guys. I will end my live stream. Ayan, sis Erlyn Vlog. Thank you so much. Yan, naka 16 minutes na ako, guys. Ka 16 minutes na ako. Anong pangalan mo, lalab sa OTW? Melina Anical. Erlyn from Cindy. Guys, 4 minutes to go. I will end my live stream. Baba mo para makapag-PM ako ba, Ate Melina? Hindi ako makapag-type dito sa main. 4 minutes to go, guys. Ikaw na lang mag-type ng sayo at ako mag-ano. I-add kita. My friend Sati, thank you so much for coming. Guys, 3 minutes to go and my live stream. Thank you so much to everyone there, guys. Guys, please support each other, guys. Sati is dropping her link. TSD Roxer, thank you so much for coming. Guys, please connect each other. Thank you so much. Support each other, guys. Thank you, everyone. Cindy dear from Sati. Guys, please drop your link, guys. Feel free to drop your link. Guys, Asati is dropping her link. Please support each other, guys. Please support each other. Sige, PM kita. Wait lang. Melina Anical. So, what time is it now? So, I just make 20 minutes, guys, my live. 20 minutes, so we've got now 15:47. Guys, please support each other, guys. Di ko makita lalabs. Melina Anical. Sige, eksakto ka na lang ng mga anong oras na nga. 48. Sige, 20 minutes ko na lang mag-end na ako. Yan, sis Jean Comadero. Thank you so much for coming, sis. Sis, 3 minutes na lang mag-end na ako. Yan, TSD Draxer, 2 minutes to go, I will end my live stream. Yan, thank you so much everyone. Yan na, Ate Melina, thank you. Sige, check ko na lang mamaya, lalabs. Lalabs Original Okura Official. Guys, please support each other. Thank you so much. Please connect and support each other. This is the building in Hong Kong, guys. Richard Dansati from TSD Roxer. So guys, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much my friend TSD Roxer for coming. Thank you so much. So I have 19 minutes. 15:50. Guys, I will end my live stream. Thank you so much everyone. Bye all guys. Bye. Bye everyone. Yan, bye TSD Traxer. I will end my live stream. Bye guys. Thank you so much everyone who is there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 3 people million in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, there's a cute flower here. Yan, Sis Jane. Mag-end na ako, Sis Jane. Yan, naka 20 minutes na ako. Yan, bye guys. Bye everyone. Yan, thank you so much, Sis Jane. Mag-end na ako. Bye guys.